Tracy here. I am going to do an unboxing for you. Ooh, so much fun stuff. Okay, so the first thing is they always send an extra little something something. So we have Blue Enigma. Okay, awesome. And then, alright, so I did a major restock on my main colors, and then I kind of branched out. I'm going to be doing a project here really soon, and I wanted to share that with you, but I will go ahead and just get into this. Okay, so they were sold out of the purple vibrance. I normally like to get the 4-ounce jars, and they were sold out, so I had to go get the just the samples. And so I got 5. I absolutely love this color. This is I just love this color. So I did go ahead and I got an email stating they were back in stock, so I placed an order for my normal 4-ounce, which is, you know, just a normal restock. Oh, okay. So we have you seen this okay? Okay, so this is gold dust. I don't know if I'm going to go through all these, but this one I do want to see up close. Look at that. I've been excited about this. I have some projects going on with that one. Pig Vibrance. I love this one. This is also a mainstay in my collection. Super Sparkles. And these are all biodegradable. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, I love it. I've actually got this one before, but not in this big of a quantity, and I really liked it. Okay, let's see. Let me just get the big. So we got the 4-ounce bag. I already have a jar for it, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. Yellow Vibrance, Orange Vibrance, and Green Vibrance. So let me just point out that this is for my soaps. Some of these you really have to watch out for that they're not, you know, bath bomb approved, so you really have to look at the labels and see what is in there. Then we got the titanium dioxide, water soluble, this is a green dye mixture. This would be for bath bombs. It doesn't look green in here, but it changes after you get it mixed up in with some liquid. We have the turquoise dye mixture. This here is just a neutral gray. This is a mica. Midnight blue. That is a really beautiful blue. I have a project in mind with this one. That's another mica. Lollipop. I'm actually going to go into a couple of these. Let me just go back to this blue, the midnight blue. Can you see that? Look how gorgeous that is. The neutral gray, I don't need to see that one, but the lollipop. That's really pretty. Mango Tango. And then we have the neon purple. That's really intense. I love that. Another project in mind with these. Super excited about getting into these. Neon orange. That's so bright. I love it. Neon yellow. Lustrous brown. I'm gonna have to go let my kitty cat outside because she's a little nag when she starts meowing at me. This is so pretty. I don't know if you can really see that. Neon green. Oops, oops. Coral Reef. This one is new to me for sure. That's pretty. That'd actually be a really beautiful color on your lips, and it is safe for lips, eyes, and bath bombs. Awesome. Because that would make a really pretty lipstick. Then we have Magic Moments. It's just kind of like a peachy beige, maybe. Candy Apple. You gotta see that one. That's really pretty. Jam Session. There's another purple. Wild Strawberry. Let me check that one out. Oh yeah, this is the Biodegradable Glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. Yep, I got that one for a reason. Oops. A neon deep orange. I got some different colors for some different projects, and also I am branching out, so I'm going to need enough colorants to go through that. Cyber Grape, this is another common one in my lineup, but I love the color. Goodness sakes, look at that pink. Ooh, that's so pretty. Obviously you guys can probably tell by now that my brand colors are pink. It's not neon, but I do love pink, so that's definitely very striking. High Society. It's really pretty. I'm getting a little bit of makeup on me, but that's okay. Comes with the territory. Honey Blush. They sent me a sample the last time, and I loved it, so I ordered some. Berry Twist. Ooh, this one has a spilled one. It happens. Okay. This is Love and Sunshine. This is such a deep, bright, not deep, it's just bright yellow, and I love the way it looks in soap. So I got that. Sahara Gold soaps that I'm going to be making, and this is going to be part of it. It always look a little bit different in your soaps, but we have the Neon Blue, Neon Magenta, Heartbreaker, Mocha. This will be going into my I Heart Coffee soaps. Very popular. Enchantment. I love this stuff. It's so pretty. And then Siren's Song. so pretty. Does anybody else get really excited when they see these colors? Is it inspiring? All right. And now for my scents. So, Persephone's Kiss. I've heard so many good things about this one. I have not had it yet, and I do want to try this one. Let me just... Oh, that smells so good. So I got 2 of those because they didn't have the big bottles. Dragon's Blood. Cavalier. Foxy Lady. Stop complaining over there. It's not that hard being in a house. Honeysuckle. Alright, I let them out. Then we have Apple. White Tea and Pear. Cucumber Melon. Plumeria. Freaking love the scent. It is, oh, there's just some scents that get you. That and honeysuckle are one of my favorites. And then 8th Ocean. And then, let me just show you, I did not get it with this order, but I did just get it recently, and it was definitely an upgrade. So I'm going to just show you what I got from, also from Nurture Soap. This bad boy. I haven't used it yet. I'm super excited to use it, and now that I got my new supplies in, I will definitely be using it. So anyway, that is my haul. Alright, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, share. I definitely appreciate it. And if you guys would like to get some of these products or try them out yourself, I will leave a link below. So that is all for today, and I look forward to talking to you guys again. Bye.